Traveling with just a carry-on bag is my favorite way to travel. It's super convenient, you don't need to worry about lost luggage, and you can save a ton of money on checking bags. So let's pack up the new Panda Pack from Pioneer Carry. We're going to be taking this bag on a 2-week trip and just traveling with this carry-on. First, we'll check out the bag specs. Then, we'll take a look at the travel fit. And lastly, we'll jump into a pack with me. So feel free to scroll as you see fit. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks so much to Pioneer Carry for sending me this bag to try out. If you love this bag as much as I do, be sure to use my affiliate link in the description as it helps out the channel. If you don't know Pioneer Carry, they're a San Francisco-based company founded in 2016. They started by making high-quality technical wallets and pouches, but now they've recently branched into backpacks, like the Panda Pack we're looking at today. The Panda Pack comes in at 25 liters with a height of 17.5 inches, a width of 11.5 inches, and a depth of 8 inches. It only comes in the black colorway, and is made with some really thick 840 mandarin nylon. This thing is made for travel, even featuring a little detachable luggage tag. There are a ton of different pockets, including ones for water bottles and laptops. And the design of the bag has been really thought out. For instance, this outside pocket fits the Pioneer Global pouch perfectly. I don't have the XL pouch on me, but I am assuming this bottom pocket will fit that one perfectly as well. I really love how Pioneer has created an ecosystem of products that effortlessly fit together. The Panda Pack retails for $395 US, but it comes with a lifetime warranty on workmanship or material defects. So the price may be steep, but the quality and lifetime guarantee really makes it worth it in my opinion. And I'm just going to throw up some of the main features and details of the bag on the screen so you can check them out. So before we pack this up, let's check out the travel fit. And now it's time to pack this thing up for a 2-week trip. And just a reminder that everyone is going to have a different packing list with items that are important to them. But these are going to be the ones that I find essential when I go on a longer trip. So let's start out by laying everything out and organizing. I like to start off with the stuff that will take up the most space in my bag first, which is my clothes. I like to keep things pretty simple, creating almost a capsule wardrobe by making sure all of my shirts will go with the pants and shoes that I choose to bring. Here I have 4 t-shirts and 2 long sleeve shirts. I always like to do sink laundry about halfway through these longer trips, and I'll show you what detergent strips I like to bring coming up in the video. Next, I'm going to bring a second pair of pants in addition to the ones that I'll be wearing while I'm traveling. I'll also bring a versatile pair of shorts that I can sleep in, swim in, or even just wear during the day. I'll also bring along 6 pairs of socks and 6 pairs of boxer briefs. Next up is my toiletry kit, and for this trip, I'm using the Global pouch from Pioneer, which fits seamlessly in that front backpack pocket. Since it's a longer trip, I'll take my computer with me as well, just in case I need to answer any of those work emails. I'll also take along my Evercade Super Pocket handheld video game system, along with a new cartridge that I recently purchased, which features the super fun N64 game Glover. I used to love this game growing up, and it's cool to play it in handheld form now. I'll bring a book so I can read on the plane, or hopefully when I'm relaxing during my trip. This is an interesting book from film director Harmony Korine, who you may know from movies like Kids, Gummo, and Spring Breakers. But this is his collection of zines that he made, and some with skateboard legend Mark Gonzalez. Next up are my Kind laundry strips that I mentioned before, and these are perfect for doing sink laundry. They're also super convenient because they come in these little travel packs. I'll also bring my 16-ounce Nalgene water bottle, since hydration is super important, especially when you're walking around and exploring a new city. And lastly, I'll bring my phone and computer chargers, as well as my headphones. So now that I've figured out everything that I'll be bringing along, I'm going to pack it all up in the bag, going from the back pocket to the front. And you might be asking, how much does all of this weigh when it's all packed up like this? And honestly, we're coming in just under 15 pounds. So you'll be fine using this as a carry-on on any major airline. But what about souvenirs when traveling, you might ask? Well, by only bringing a backpack, this affords me the opportunity to bring another bag home with me. And one of my favorite things to buy when I'm on vacation is a tote bag from a local record store. So I usually buy one and fill it up with any other items that I might buy while I'm on the trip. So thanks so much for watching, and let me know in the comments if you'd use this bag for an extended trip. We'll see you in the next one.